Yeah. There was no cars. You was like in the middle of the street.
That helmet saved me, boy. That helmet saved me.
What it's for, man?
Oh, thanks.
Yeah, it's gonna burn like hell, right?
I just
You hit your head.
It's gonna burn me, right?
Bro,
Yo, relax. You don't feel it.
this is your first day hanging out with him. He's a very paranoid individual, bro. This is the. I think Newman. I think they gotta tow your bike, and then you gotta come back here and pick it up or something.
oh.
Cause I mean, how are you gonna get back?
Yeah.
You could ride back with me. I don't know how it's gonna work. I never had to deal with one of these.
He's gonna get X-rays, man.
Oh, he's going to the hospital.
Yeah, they're gonna X-ray him, man.
You want tape fun or is it? Go to UMDMJ, you go get a tetanus shot, you don't need a tetanus shot, it's gonna get infected, it's gonna get nasty shit.
And then,
Oh yeah, cause the road and shit.
Road
right?
rash.
Yeah.
You run a risk of getting
That's
nasty
a
infection.
pretty big hole you got in your knee too, man. Yeah, let's go get cleaned out.
Yeah, you might as well go to UMDNJ. He's right. You do need a shot.
yeah, like when we came over.
Cause you tell me what happened.
Well, I was coming, and I didn't quite notice that this was the stop sign. I mean, this is where we have to go turn.
I see.
But I knew the stop sign, and I was trying to stop. But I was in a lean, and I slipped on the ground.
Pain bending, right?
Okay.
Can I try to stand?
No. Like slid right in the off the
No, you're okay, man. You're
Listen
okay.
to me. You don't have to do that skin graft stuff.
Skin graft? That's some road rash, bro. It's gonna heal up.
You've been taking my bike?
Well, I mean, I can't ride two bikes at once. What do you? They're gonna probably take it somewhere, and you got to come back and pick it up. I think.
Got a 611 sticker on
Oh no, the registration doesn't matter in
Yeah, they stopped.
in New Jersey. They changed law. You don't need to put any kind of stickers on your. Oh,
I'm
sorry.
just asking because it's got a 611 sticker on it, so I'm asking if it's valid. Fair
Valid.
statement, right?
Yeah.
What's your
We all got letters like the other day. I was just informing you. You know what I mean? Like.
You gave my license?
Yeah.
Registration?
Good job.
SALAM.
You on that bike?
I was on that bike.
What's your first name?
See what happens then when you're done.
Yeah, you need to go back. I'll go definitely.
Yeah, you definitely want to get do something.
Got no skin
How
on
you
top of your
feeling?
kneecap, man.
I want to go. I'm not saying no.
Yeah, there's no skin on top
I'm
of your
going to
kneecap.
the ambulance.
Right, you are going to the hospital.
Yes.
Right. Okay.
I'm not denying that.
I think so. Okay. I heard someone going.
All right. So that leaves the question here.
Okay. I'm gonna have to put your wallet. Okay.
All right.
There's an accident report number that I'm gonna do.
Okay.
And a blotter number. So you call the insurance company. Tell them what happened. See the damage to the bike, etc., etc.
Yeah.
What happened to you, obviously. Okay.
Told him to the yard, but you gotta.
All right.
pay
I'm
the
calling the
storage.
next
Oh yeah, I
available
can have
tow
it
to tow
towed.
your
I can
bike.
have it towed to my house.
If it's, I think we're more than 35 miles away.
I know, but I have to pay the rest.
Okay, so call them up when you get your bearings.
When you can have your insurance company go get it from his shop.
That's what it's for. That's what the insurance is for. Your insurance comes, gets the bike out of her, you don't pay nothing. That's how it works.
Do you have that covered?
Yeah.
Okay. And then
When he tows it, it's 35 miles, and y'all can just come back up here and go get it. Like the next day.
I don't think so.
Yeah, the bike is out.
Yeah, the bike start.
How you feeling? Anything
Okay.
different?
Just pain here.
What's it called? What's the hospital
Really
called?
quick on all that, man.
The hospital's called Suffolk.
Suffering. The hospital's called Good Samaritan Hospital.
Good Samaritan Hospital. Whoever has your, they're taking your jacket with you.
Yes, it's in the.
Your wallet is in your jacket, so make sure you know who has your jacket.
Right down here.
The officer has to back
And your jacket is, this is Sean, your jacket is in the rig right now, okay? He will make sure you get it at the hospital, okay?
Yeah, he's feeling it. He can give him a shot. That's his first time he's been left.
Thank you so much.
Why do you guys call on these damn things? This is what we do on the weekends.
You been picked up motorcycle?
That was so freak, man. It wasn't even like anything like risky. It was freak. It was like weird.
Yeah, he was only coming around this time. He was only from like 45.
Not even. You're all inside your pocket.
For what? Huh?
What? No, around
Yeah,
there.
because he didn't stop. He didn't see the stop sign. I tell you, he didn't see the stop sign.
We've been here a million
I
times.
know, but he didn't notice the stop sign. I'm telling you, when he comes to you, like, yo, I ain't know that stop sign was there. I forgot. And because we come around the turn, and we only doing like 45, 50, and then he just.
Dude, you're gonna be okay, yo. Don't. Now that he comes out of shock.
I mean, for this. His body was in the middle.
What did he hit?
Nothing.
He hit nothing. He got
all right.
the luckiest person ever.
His bike kept going.
Corner, came around, split around.
Didn't realize the stop sign was there, and then
So his body was in the, like in the far left lane. And his bike was
highway.
It's a 2000.
Because he realized that, oh shit. So he slid the bike down, as you see where he just slid it and rode it, and his knee got.
No, his
He
bike
was-
just kept going.
the bi-
he was on the floor.
He was in the middle of the road.
He was in the middle of the road.
And he was, huh? He just slid his head a little bit. He was going pretty slow when he fell. That was the good part about it, you know?
Yeah.
'Cause you can't go- If anybody came down this road,
Yeah.
he was in the middle of. I was
in the
just.
road.
He was so lucky. He was so lucky there was nobody coming down the road.
Right, yeah.
And he kept sliding. He had all that plastic stuff on his elbows and his ass and everything. And he slid. And we thought we were going to run him over with the truck. But we didn't.
Wow.
We got the bike down.
Alright, so he's gonna take care of the bike. Let me go shoot the bike for him.
Alright, fellas, thanks a lot.
They're not going to go flying through traffic lights and stuff, so they may try to get through the intersections.
How long? Do you know how?
Yeah, I was going to be on the polite side and say 3 hours, hour. It depends on how busy they are.
Oh yeah,
And you're going to get a better view of going. So.
It's flooded. The engine's flooded. Just let it be. Huh? Engine's flooded. Oh, did you leave the key turned when you walked up to it? Hang on, is it in?
See how his rear brake doesn't work?
Yeah.
It's jammed.
It's going to happen. It's going to be Apple Fest. It's going to be a nightmare tomorrow. No, it's tomorrow.
The things are open.
Yeah, Apple Picking is open today, but